Completely forget to tell you guys that good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I can't even open my eyes. That's how bright the sun is outside. The reflection from the sun is such a beautiful day out today, as you guys can see. And I just finished working out and crashed right here outside on a chair. I'm so tired. I worked out late this morning, so it's almost midday and I just finished. But the good thing is, what happened? Go ahead. The good thing is I got it in, and that's most important. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Baby's off to work. Here just finished working out. Tyler is somewhere making noise. You want your chair? He wants his chair and he went for it. Chair? You want to sit in a chair? Okay. Okay, go for your chair. No, the top have food on it. Let the top stay. Let the table stay. Oh Lord, his table have cereals on it from I fed him this morning. Alright, I'm going to fit it up for you and clear the table so you can get your chair. Lord, he wants to sit in his chair. You want to sit in a chair? Alright, I'm coming to clean the table for you, okay? This boy is so smart. He has so much sense. I feed Tyler. Now it's time for me to go and have my breakfast. You found my tablet? You found my tablet? Tablet W. You guys, we completely forgot to tell you guys that W busy. We completely forget to tell you guys that Tyler's tablet that he got for his birthday, when I got home from work on Thursday, as babe picked me up, babe said, honey, I am so upset. So I said, what's wrong? He said, Tyler fell and his tablet fell with him because he had a tablet in his hand and his tablet broke. Nothing we couldn't get from the tablet, nothing at all. So babe just went online the same night and bought him a new one because we don't know if we're going to get it fixed, even though we're still going to try and see if we can find some information and find somewhere to get it fixed. But we had to buy him a new one, so this is the new one. And I make sure I let babe order the protective screen for this one right away because we are to be blamed for him breaking that tablet, because we didn't buy any protective screen, and we were supposed to buy the protective screen, and we keep forgetting to buy it and postponing it. I don't know for what reason. So now we learned. So you have a broken tablet plus this one. Luckily this one also came with the same case, so we didn't have to buy a case. So this is actually not the same tablet, it's a different one. Apple. Pineapple. Pineapple. You haven't said hi to the face from morning. Can you look and say hi? Hi. Look at them. Look. Look. Say hi. Hi. Let me see what is this. Umbrella. This smart boy. Can you blow them kisses? Blow them kisses. You give him mama kiss. Blow the face kisses. Why? Say hi, Faves. Oh. You guys, Stella actually calling your names right now, okay? Juice. That's not juice, that's water. Water. Anyway, you guys, I finished having breakfast, and I'm a little bit tired, but I have yacht. Ah, he said bateau because boat means bottle in French. Xylophone, good job. So whenever he said boat, he said bateau, boat. Zebra. Oui. This boy, it's crazy how growing a bilingual child is just amazed me every single day. To see how he says his words in both French and English, it amazes me every time. You have to go back. You finish. Yeah, water. Vegetables. Growing a bilingual child, you guys don't understand how amazing it is. Umbrella. It amazes me every time. To hear him says his words in French and then says them in English, it's just amazing. Some words he's just not saying them in English, and some words he's just not saying them in French. Wow. Like as you can see, say boat in French. Bateau. Say bonjour. Bonjour. He's been saying bonjour all day yesterday. Dis bonjour, Tyler. Bonjour. Si au revoir. Au revoir mean bye. Au revoir. Tell them au revoir. We're going to take a bath. Say bath. And then take a nap. Nap. Say nap. Alright. Say bye. Look at them. Look. Tala, look. They're there. Say bye. Say later. So yeah, we had to buy my new tablet. So that's the truth about his tablet. So I have to hide the other one. So this morning was his first time with this new one. Look, you guys, look at my son. Look at this boy. He went for his number 2 balloon that he has from his birthday, and he attached, put the teddy bear on the back of his car, his truck, and he's just driving around in the house. The things that he does to amaze me. The things he, she fell, look. This teddy bear is a second teddy bear my husband bought me on his second trip to Jamaica to visit me from France. And I adore these teddy bears. Now it becomes Tyler's friend. Look at him. He's not letting it. What are you doing? Careful, you're gonna make the tablet fall. Let you stay right here, okay? And you can sit beside her. Yeah, nap. Nap if you want to, okay? Tyler! What happened? What happened, you guys? Look at this. Oh my God, what happened? What? What happened to your number 2? 2? What happened to it? Okay, let Mama take it down for you. His 2 is up in the top of the house. Da, 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 da. I have to tie it back on the cord. What number is that? Yes, 2. Who is 2? You are 2. Give 2 a big kiss. Can 2 get a kiss? Give 2 a bisou. Mwah. For dinner today, I'm making pureed carrot for Tyler, and your girl is feeling all sort of Jamaican today. Of course, I just miss Jamaican food so much, so I am making my last surviving Jamaican tin mackerel. And if you guys don't know what Jamaican tin mackerel look like, this is it right here. I have one last surviving tin, and it's because I love babe so much why he's gonna get some. Sorry babe, but you're gonna get just a little bit. And with that, I am going to make some boiled ripe plantain. So Tyler pureed carrot is cooking. The carrot is cooking right there for me to puree it. And now I'm going to put these plantain in here to cook real quick, and then I'm going to cut up these seasonings for the mackerel. Ooh, hot pepper shawty. Okay, you guys, so that's dinner. That's for babe. That's mine. And that's for Tyler's. And
Mine.
yes, yours.
Mine.
Obviously, he's ready. Yours, mine. Alright, let's go eat. Say eat. Go sit in your chair. Go, I'm coming. He's excited about his food right now. Tomorrow.
Mom.
Bye, faves. Blow them kisses. Alright, take Keisha. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? You are sleeping. You guys, who's this man?
A tired man.
Who is this man? He came home very, very late when
After
Tyler was
8.
off to bed already.
Yeah, but usually at this time I had some hope inside me because all weekend, even last week at this time, he wasn't at bed.
Because I've been putting him to bed late.
Right, and
So
just
you were hoping that I didn't put him to bed.
yeah.
To go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression for today, and this one is always used by one of my eldest cousins. It's one of his favorite Jamaican expression, and it goes a arm's thing that If you hear a Jamaican say to you, arms hosting that, the simple saying that the situation is foolish. Whatever situation it is just stupid, foolish situation. So if you ask an opinion on a situation and then say, yo, arms hosting that, the simple saying that it's a foolish situation. Say,
say it again.
Arms
Thing
that. Yes.
Arms
No, you have to say the then arms
thing
Right. There you go. Good job, baby. Good job. Watch the French word or expression.
French word for today is gonna be a word, not an expression. In 3 letters, lit. Lit in English mean bed, because that's where I'm eating right now. My bed. So say the French word.
Lit.
Lit, right? So lit is bed. That's one of the most important things in the room. Bed.
Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Tyler is long off to sleep. Give this video a thumbs up if it's your first time watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. That way you guys can get all our videos. We love you guys. Thank you for watching. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.